Hi guys, the PL connector or phone connector or kaya siya PL, phone line connector. So ano yung origin niya at bakit siya nandito? Let me explain. So noong late 1800s was the development of the commercial telephone system. And during that time, they had to find a way how to patch yung tumatawag sa tinatawagan. So that was the time they developed the telephone exchange system. So may mga operators, tumatanggap ng tawag, sino tinatawagan, they will patch him to the party na kinokontak niya. So that was the telephone exchange. Tayo sa Pro Audio, the PL became either a stereo or a mono, either a stereo signal or a balanced line signal, so depende na paano natin gagamitin. Anyway, that's the story of the PL connector. See you in the next.